Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is better for busy schedules? Hey fitness enthusiasts, your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Sit-ups versus crunches. Time to decide. In our fast-paced lives, finding the right exercise that fits into a busy schedule is crucial. Today, we're diving into the age-old debate, sit-ups versus crunches. Which one is better for those short on time, but still wanting to stay fit and toned? Sit-ups, the full range champion. Sit-ups are known for their full range of motion, engaging not just your ABS, but also your hip flexors and lower back. They are a powerhouse move for building core strength and improving overall stability. However, they do take more time and can put a strain on your neck and back if not done correctly. Crunches, the efficient burner. Crunches, on the other hand, focus directly on the upper ABS. They are quicker to perform and generally put less strain on your neck and back. Perfect for a quick workout, crunches allow you to maximize your engagement in less time, making them ideal for busy schedules. Which one fits your schedule? For those with a jam-packed day, crunches might be the go-to move. They're fast, efficient, and can be done virtually anywhere. Sit-ups, while also highly effective, might require a bit more time and attention to form. Ultimately, both exercises have their unique benefits, and incorporating a mix of both can lead to a well-rounded core workout. Your choice. Incorporate sit-ups when you have a bit more time to focus on a full body core exercise. Opt for crunches when you're looking for a quick, targeted workout that fits seamlessly into your busy day. Remember, the best exercise is the one you can stick to consistently. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one.